Bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour un nouvel épisode de Life is Strange 2. On est toujours dans le chapitre 2 et on a réussi à arriver du coup jusqu'aux grands-parents de Sean et Daniel, donc du côté de leur mère. Et il y a l'air d'avoir un sérieux contentieux à la fois du côté de Sean et du côté des grands-parents. Donc je ne sais pas, on ne connaît pas exactement la situation exacte de pourquoi leur mère les a abandonnés, basiquement. Mais je serais très curieuse de voir si on peut y trouver une explication à l'instar de Before the Storm. Donc Rachel, c'est ça, je cherchais son nom. À l'histoire de la mère de Rachel dans Before the Storm. Donc hâte de voir tout ça. Daniel va beaucoup mieux, il s'entraîne un petit peu sur ses pouvoirs. Au niveau des règles de la maison, pas faire de bruit, pas se faire remarquer, ils sont au courant plus ou moins de ce qui s'est passé à Seattle. Mais là, ça y est, Daniel va mieux, donc on a l'autorisation d'aller jouer dehors. J'ai hâte de voir ce qui va se passer, même si j'ai une petite idée, d'après Captain Spirit. On est parti. Alors, ah voilà, là, je peux commencer à explorer la maison. Parfait.
I miss Dad and his silly
Hmm.
Santa Gringo accent.
I know who this is, Chris. What a nice surprise. You okay? Is everything all right?
Oh, elle est en train de discuter avec Chris. C'est littéralement la discussion qu'on a eue dans Captain Spirit, donc c'est exactement le jour.
I better catch up with Steven and get those keys.
Donc c'est ça.
Daniel's going nuts in here.
Like a real boy.
I wonder where this was taken. I don't picture Claire and Steven as world travelers.
Hmm.
He loves that treehouse.
It's cool that Claire does her little paintings.
Ouais, cool. L'art, c'est parfait pour s'exprimer, pour se détendre.
You belong in the cupboard.
Oui, c'est pour ça qu'on va le ranger.
Clean kitchen equals clean conscience.
Exactement. Recette de cuisine.
Claire could totally be on one of those cooking shows. She would be brutal.
Arrêtez de me donner faim.
Claire paints all these.
Mmh.
Not my style, but pretty impressive.
Ouais. Alors, liste de corvées.
Yeah. Pretty different from the one we had back at home.
Alors, tâche ménagère, Stephen. Aspirateur, plier les serviettes, préparer le tiroir. Oui, le fameux. Sean et Daniel, ranger la chambre, mettre les vêtements dans la machine, embrasser grands-parents. C'est mignon. Claire, tout le reste. Oh, ma pauvre. Faire le tour, du coup. Petite réserve. Un petit commentaire, Sean. Alors.
As always with Claire, I can't really tell if this is cute or bossy.
Mon cher Marie, si tu fais la lessive, suis ces règles de base. Ne mélange pas le blanc et les couleurs, jamais. Mets une dose de détergent, boîte rouge par machine. Si tu laves mes affaires, utilise le style délicat histoire de ne pas en abîmer plus. Ta femme qui t'aime. Ah, je t'avoue que moi quand je fais une machine, je balance tout et je mets une petite lingette, un petit machin pour pas qu'il y ait de décolorant. Alors,
I get why they love their town so much.
ouais.
It's kinda cute.
Hmm.
This is fun every once in a while, but it gets old every other night.
Tu m'étonnes.
See you tonight, buddy.
Franchement, pour une grand-mère qui est à cheval sur le rangement et les machins, elle laisse quand même faire pas mal de trucs, hein. Ah, ça aura de l'importance.
Claire can draw pretty damn good.
Oui, c'est peut-être de elle que tu
Guess it
tiens.
runs in the family.
C'est ce que j'allais dire. Je me demande si maman savait dessiner déjà.
I don't know when Daniel will be able to go back to his school.
Ouais. Ok, donc le grand-père est
We
là.
stopped our training session since we got here, so
Bah ouais.
it sucks. I haven't seen any actual fish in there since we got here.
Ah. Ils sont mourus. Donc... c'est un truc avec Daniel.
Whoa. Look at all these decorations.
That's so cool.
Attendez 2 secondes.
Oh, so, are you excited about the tree, Daniel?
Of course I am. When do we start?
Je suis obligée de redémarrer mon compteur.
Promise.
Finally, some fresh air.
Yep.
Gotta get those shed keys from Steven first.
Ouais.
Jeez. I told him about leaving his toys around.
Ranger, c'est pas grave.
What? He's letting him play with
Ouais, d'accord.
firecrackers again? Oh, for Christ's sakes.
I heard Claire rehearse some songs. She's got the groove.
Nice. Oyez, chantez les fêtes. La chorale de Noël de Beaver Creek. 21, 22 et 23 décembre. De 18 à 19h, Main Street. Chantez avec toute votre famille. Tarte aux pommes, les poules et plus fournis par Carol Reynolds, donc Claire Reynolds et Kay Hoover. D'accord. Du coup.
Sorry for getting upset, Sean. I just don't feel comfortable talking about all this.
Ah,
It's fine, really. We don't have to.
t'inquiète pas, on trouvera le moyen d'entrer dans cette chambre.
Oh, this looks cool.
Mmh.
Too
Jamais
bad it's
compris.
broken.
Jamais compris comment ils font ça.
What happened to the ship?
Oh, that thing? Stephen made it years ago, but it fell and he doesn't know how to fix it.
That's sad.
Ah.
Looks pretty cool anyway.
Yeah. Well, it's life.
Mmh.
Hey, I want to be in your drawing.
Ok.
Oh, don't draw me like this, Sean. I'm a mess.
Non, c'est très
Don't
bien.
worry. I'm drawing the whole room.
Good. It's so nice to see you practice. You're so
I'm
passionate.
not moving. Hope I look good.
On va faire de notre mieux.
I've looked enough. Time to draw now.
I'm not moving. Hope I look good.
Gee, I could never do that.
Nope.
I'm
I
not
can't do
moving.
anything without looking up first.
Bah oui, c'est bien pour ça que...
I'm not moving. Hope I look good. I'm not moving. Hope I look good.
Oui, ça tu l'as déjà dit, Daniel.
Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want.
I'm
Super
not
bien.
moving. Hope I look good. I'm not moving. Hope I look good.
Hmm.
I'm not moving. Hope I look good.
J'aime bien.
Poor man.
Tried one of Claire's books yesterday. It's basically a telenovela with white old women.
Is that a dog?
Yes. Old Polly left us 3 years ago.
Oh,
But she's still with us, day after day.
Isn't she in heaven? With Mushroom?
Of course she is. But she's in our thoughts as well.
That's nice.
I better catch up with Steven and get those keys.
oui, on va prendre un petit
Feeling
peu.
of love. Passion Princess? Escape to pleasure?
Mhm.
Man, does Claire read all these?
Je sais pas, mais le dernier, ça
I'm glad I
m'avait
picked these up. Gives me something to work on when they're all watching TV.
Ah, donc vous avez quand même le droit de
Such a
regarder un peu
big
la télé.
fireplace. And not even needed. That's luxury.
Merci, Daniel.
They have a kick-ass set, but
Mm.
they only watch boring shows and cable news.
Chacun regarde ce qu'il
Man,
veut.
can you imagine watching a slasher out here? Deep in the woods. No one around.
No way. 2 stairs.
Thank you for tidying up a little. It's nice of you.
Yeah. No problem.
Fair point. Never really thought of it that way.
You're not the only one Karen hurt. Hey,
Donc elle lui a fait du mal aussi, d'accord.
Claire.
What's on your mind, Sean?
Do you know anything about Dad's funeral?
There was a service. We couldn't make it in time, but we sent flowers.
Bon.
I'm sorry, Sean.
It's okay. I just want to make sure somebody took care of him.
Hopefully, you can go visit him at some point.
At
J'espère.
some point.
À la fin du jeu, par exemple.
Yeah. What did you think of Dad? You can tell me. I won't get mad.
Well, your father was. He was his own person.
That's it? I mean, I know you guys didn't really get along.
It's just. Esteban was very different from us. And he never took a single step to change any of that.
Sounds like Dad. He wasn't one to smooth things over.
Trust me, I know the type. But he did raise you boys on his own. Can't argue with that.
Yeah,
Ouais.
he worked his ass off for us. Wish I realized that sooner.
Don't worry, Sean.
Ça fait pas partie des choses qu'un enfant devrait avoir à réaliser. Encore une fois, pour parler un petit peu de moi, j'ai aussi pas mal de regrets de pas avoir pris le temps de mieux comprendre ma mère. Mais j'avais 11 ans. Enfin, c'est pas... Un enfant ne devrait pas avoir à faire ce genre de choses. Et à s'en
How
sentir
long have
coupable.
you and Stephen been married?
Oh my. Forever.
50?
But a good forever.
Hmm.
Almost 40 years.
Ah, un
Man,
petit peu moins.
that's more than twice my age. You both were married during Y2K.
Thanks for making me feel even older. I assume you must have a girlfriend or...
I almost started dating this one person. But I guess not anymore.
I understand. I'm sorry, honey.
Mm.
It's not fair that you have to deal with all this. Things will change.
I hope.
Ouais. Du coup, vos
What's the
voisins.
story with your neighbor?
Charles? Oh, poor man used to be a basketball coach, but had to move out here after his wife's passing.
D'accord.
He's got a job at the rail yard now, and, well, he's still recovering.
Mm.
Wow. I mean, that's sad.
We tried to give him a hand, keep an eye on his drinking problem.
Mm.
His son Chris is a little angel, though. I think Daniel would be a good influence on him. He's got a great role model, after all.
Oh,
Thanks.
elle est trop
I'm
mignonne.
trying my best. Well, thanks, Claire.
You are very welcome. It's always a pleasure to speak with my grandsons.
Ouais. Ouais, c'est pas forcément... Bon, voilà, on n'est pas forcément toujours d'accord avec ce qu'elle peut penser, mais elle prend le temps, tu vois, c'est gentil de sa part.
Finally, some fresh air.
De quoi? À
Gotta
l'étage?
get those shed keys from Steven first.
Ouais, ouais.
Can't believe Steven spent his whole life building this.
Ouais, mais...
He's a real artist.
Hmm.
Hey, what's up? Oh, so you actually showed up on time. The train is about to leave the station.
I'm new to the job, but I'm ready, Chief.
Now, I could be a real superhero and save the train from disaster.
I remember playing this when I came here years ago. Man, things were so different back then.
Hmm.
This model is so amazing.
Yeah, Grandpa says it took decades to build. Can you believe it?
It's crazy.
It's way cooler than anything I ever did in Minecraft.
Du coup, je vais pas passer 3 ans là-dessus parce qu'il n'y a pas grand-chose à faire, j'ai l'impression. Bon, je peux rien faire de plus dans la chambre. Je suis sûre. Non, pas du tout.
Gee, don't know why crooked frames stress me out like this. This used to be Karen's room.
Hmm,
Wonder what they've done with it.
je veux voir. Tu comptes pas prendre de douche du coup, Sean? C'est moi qui vais te juger, ou c'est
I
juste
don't
que...
remember much from the last time I came here.
Ouais. Je vais pas retourner. Bon. Ah, mezzanine.
It's
Ça me
so weird
foutrait
to
la
be back
trouille.
here again.
Je sens mon vertige là déjà, rien que de le voir
Claire
couler
and
au truc.
Steven are kind of weird sometimes, but they do care about us.
Oui.
I'm glad they're spoiling Daniel.
Hmm.
Wish I could.
Encore une fois, c'est pas ton rôle, Sean.
Dad never really got along with them, though. I barely know them. Family, right?
N'est-ce pas?
We're safe. That's all I need.
Ouais, laissons passer les fêtes de Noël et puis on...
What are you doing, Sean?
Nothing, just taking a look at the house.
Ah, ça me
It's
rend un
pretty
peu
cool
fort.
here.
J'aime pas.
It's not like home. But Grandma and Grandpa are nice.
Yeah, they are. We're lucky they took us in.
How long are we gonna stay with them?
I don't know. As long as it's safe for us. And for them, I guess.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Allez.
All right. Enough contemplation for today.
Oui, je pense que tu vas rapidement paniquer, mon gars. On redescend. On va chercher les clés. J'ai un gamin à sauver.
Think I need a handy assistant.
Huh?
Can you hand me the glue in the cupboard behind me?
Sure, hold on.
Ça rappelle quand on est des papas.
Whoa!
Ouf.
Careful. Sorry, I forgot. That thing isn't too stable.
Oh,
Let me
c'est
just-
dangereux ça.
Okay. Sorry.
My fault. Your grandmother keeps telling me, but I'm a lazy old man. Hey, can you close the door? I want to talk for a second.
Oh,
Ok.
It's the power cable, of course. Yeah, it happens all the time. So, listen, I've noticed things with Daniel. You know what I'm talking about, don't you?
yeah. I do.
But how the heck is that possible?
Très bonne
I
question.
mean, he can... Well, you know more than me.
Not really. It started in Seattle after everything happened. I wish I could explain, but that's how it is now. And we have to live with it.
Je lui fais confiance. Au pire, on partira.
I really don't know what to think. He needs a doctor. Or something.
Ce sont les voix
Then
du
I'll
Seigneur.
probably never see him again.
Yeah,
Elles sont impénétrables.
he needs you. More than anything else.
Et je ne le laisserai pas tomber.
And by the
Certainement
way,
pas.
let's keep this between us. Claire has a lot of strong beliefs. She wouldn't understand.
Au contraire, c'est le pouvoir de
She
Dieu.
adores Daniel. And just wants both of you to be safe and happy. What I'm trying to say is maybe you should stay here with us. I know you boys plan to
Moi,
run to
ça me va.
Mexico, but
Thanks. Maybe we could, but why not?
I know being out here in the sticks with us old farts isn't exciting, but this is your home now.
It's cool. Kinda different, but I just don't want you to get into trouble because of
Bah,
us.
c'est ça le truc.
It's dangerous to be on the road.
C'est...
Do you think your father would have wanted this for his kids?
Nope.
Of course not. But everything's different now.
I know. Well, just think about it. But don't torture yourself.
I will. Hey, Claire said you had the keys for the tool shed?
Oh, sure.
Je sens que l'armoire va lui tomber sur le dos et qu'on va avoir le choix
You
entre
guys enjoy the sun.
faire en sorte que Daniel utilise son pouvoir ou non. Je le sens venir gros comme une maison.
And be careful with that shed. It's probably a mess inside.
Ah, t'inquiète.
Thanks.
It's good to see you in my lair.
Hmm.
You were afraid to come in here as a kid.
Really? Why?
No idea. But you're a big boy now. You can take a look around. I won't eat you.
Cool.
Merci.
Wow. Is that you?
Yeah, that was taken when I retired. The mayor came to congratulate me himself.
That's awesome.
Yeah, really great day. I wish you'd been here.
Je vois qu'il y a une hache. C'est quoi le délire? Ça me fait penser au pont. Je peux rien faire avec l'armoire? Je le sens mal, ce truc. Ah,
Man, who did this?
Oh, he was our neighbor's son, Chris.
ce que j'étais en train de me dire, c'est sa cabane.
Him and his dad build that treehouse.
Why are you holding a fire sword?
I'm not sure. You know, that kid sure has an imagination.
Yep.
Well, I'm sorry, Sean. I know you guys miss your games and your websites, but trust me, a break from all this can only do you good. You know,
C'est clair.
it's safer that way.
Yeah, I know.
J'allais dire que moi, ce qui me manquerait, ce serait de pouvoir écrire, mais c'est vrai que je peux reprendre du papier et un crayon. C'est même mieux.
Steven sure digs his hobby.
Photo de qui? Maman?
Oh, you found this. I just forgot to.
It's okay. It's been a while since I've seen her face.
Yeah. I like taking a look at it from time to time.
Doesn't it hurt?
Yeah, it does. But she's still my daughter, you know.
Mm.
I can't approve what she's done, but I think I understand.
Good.
Tell me more.
I
I
don't.
want to know more.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Jean. Please don't. Please don't say anything to Claire about this, okay?
Don't worry. I
Mm.
won't.
On peut la prendre pour Daniel? Ou pas?
How come you have a disco ball?
Ouais, bonne question.
Are you like throwing parties and stuff?
No, this is a souvenir, you know. I actually met your grandma during a disco night.
Mais non.
Believe it or not.
Claire told me you guys have been married for like 40 years, so it kind of makes sense.
That sure was a long time ago, but we stuck together, you know, through thick and thin.
That's cool.
Well, call me old-fashioned, but I think that's how marriage should be.
Oui. J'étais en train de regarder le t-shirt de Sean, et oui, je crois qu'effectivement, il était pompier, en fait. Je peux rien faire de plus. Bon. Let's go outside.
Oh, there you are, Sean. Got the key? Hey, I have to go out and run some errands. Can you do me a big favor? Do you know how to work a washing machine?
Since I was about 8.
Of course. Can you throw in yours and your brother's clothes after the next load? They're in the bathroom basket.
Totally, yeah.
Ça marche.
No problem.
Thanks so much. Feel free to keep on tidying your stuff, too. It's good for the health to keep the house clean.
Definitely. Daniel can help.
Ah, and remember, for your own safety, no phone and no internet. I know, boring rules.
J'ai ni l'un ni l'autre, de toute
Don't
façon.
worry, Claire. Hey, Daniel! There's work for you.
No. I'm busy.
Busy my ass. Come over here.
You gotta find me first.
Jeez.
Find him, find him.
I hope we won't get Claire and Steven into trouble.
J'espère aussi. Salon. Pas dans la cuisine. Ah! Ah! Non. Non plus.
Gotcha.
Where are you, little bro? Where are you?
I get that he's sick of all this shit, but why are we playing this game?
Because it's funny.
Hey, have you seen Daniel? He's hiding somewhere.
Running away from chores.
Hmm.
I can relate. Sorry, Sean. He's not in here. I swear.
Yeah. Well. Thanks.
Attends, ça aurait été compliqué, on se tenait littéralement devant la porte. Donc il est forcément en haut. Hum. Genre là, par exemple?
I know you're in there. Gotcha. What the?
Behind you!
Bien joué.
Yeah. Very funny. No more hiding. Seriously.
Okay. What do I have to do?
You tidy the mess in our room, and I take care of the laundry. Cool?
Yeah, sure. It sucks.
I know. Thanks.
Okay. Easy peasy.
Dude, can't you do this with your own hands?
Yes, I can. But it's quicker this way.
You'll go all numb if you keep on doing this. You know?
Je pense que j'ai peut-être loupé un truc.
Alright. Time to take care of that laundry. Thanks, Claire.
Ah, c'est normal. Je vois pas le problème.
I get why Dad never brought us down here. Better be careful with it. Looks expensive.
Ouais.
How many programs does this thing have? Okay. It will do.
Ouais. Bon. Peut-être pouvoir aller dehors.
Alright. Time to see the sun again.
Ah.
Oh, this looks cool. Too bad it's broken.
Comment est-ce qu'on fait déjà? Œuf.
Boring laundry. Hey, do you think you can fix that?
Gee, that's pretty small. Let me try. I did it! Hey, check out the sail.
Hmm.
So this
Good
is
job.
Mom's ship?
I don't know, man. I guess.
Il y a autre chose que je peux faire avec Daniel. Ah,
Hey, Daniel. Can you show me the fish?
Easy. Just watch. guy.
Whoa. He's beautiful.
Il se cache. Tac, tac. Bon, bah, on va y aller alors. Ah,
Of course he begged for these.
trop bien.
Can't really blame him though. After a month on canned food. All right. Time to see the sun again.
Let's go.
Okay. Time to burn off some calories. What do you say?
Haha, yes.
Et mettez un manteau, s'il vous plaît. Pull, quelque chose. Alors, on va éviter trop de s'approcher là-bas.
Man, finally. Feels so
Ou
good to
plutôt
be
de là-bas.
outside. Reminds me of the cabin. Right? Oh,
Hmm.
Oh! 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 Oh!
watch out for the pack.
It's cool he took us in, but how long are we gonna stay here? So that's the treehouse Stephen helped out with.
Mm.
Pretty awesome. This place is actually kind of nice.
Yep.
Wonder what it's like in the summer.
Je laisse des traces ou pas? Oui. Ah oui, c'est moi en fait qui laisse les traces. Hop là.
Get ready for storage wars.
What's wrong?
Frozen shut,
Ah,
of course.
Sean, look.
il vient de sauver la vie d'un gosse. Bon, on a rattrapé Captain Spirit.
Did you see that?
See what? We just got here. Are you okay?
Yeah. I didn't see anything either.
Okay. I just fell down into the snow. Dad says I'm kind of clumsy.
That's an awesome costume. Who's your favorite superhero? I love
Power
Bear.
Oh man! I have the Mega Power Bear. You should check it out.
So
Avec
cool.
joie.
I've got the Chibi Power Bear, the talking one.
No one can defeat
justice.
Chris, oh God. Look, I am so sorry. Are you okay?
Dad, I'm fine. I promise.
Hmm.
Are you sure? Listen, I shouldn't... Do you know them?
It's okay, Dad. They're cool. He loves superheroes, even Power Bear.
Ah, gotcha. Hey there. Are you staying with the Reynolds?
Ouais.
Oh, yeah. They're our grandparents.
I see. Oh, geez, Chris. You don't have any damn shoes on. I'm sorry, buddy. Let's get you inside.
Yeah. Okay, Dad.
Thanks,
Oh.
guys. Oh, and, if Claire asks, tell her everything is fine.
Mhm.
Is it really?
Never mind. See you around.
Sure.
Thanks, guys. See you later.
Yes, we will.
Daniel, did you forget everything about the rules already?
Sorry,
Hmm.
Sean. Did you want me to let him fall?
Bah oui, merci.
Really?
On sauve quand même la vie des gamins. Oui, non, je te donne raison pour le coup, Daniel.
No, you did the right thing. But listen, we can't let anybody know. We have to keep a low profile out here.
He's like my age.
Oui.
I bet you would have done the same exact thing.
Hmm.
Don't be mad.
I'm not mad, dude. It's over. Daniel, remember that we're hiding out. So no training and no showing off your power. From
Dit-il
now
alors
on,
qu'il lui a demandé
you
de
stick with me all the time, okay?
la blague. Bon, ça c'est mignon. Il y a un endroit, il y a un temps pour utiliser son pouvoir. Et là, il était hors de question de laisser Chris mourir. Pas déconner non plus. Prend du temps à charger la prochaine section. On change de zone ou... Ouais, j'ai plus de musique, j'ai plus de son. Ne plante pas le jeu. Hein. Ce serait vraiment moche. J'ai pas envie de tout refaire. C'est bon. Sur ce, bah écoutez les gens, on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. Donc, on a rattrapé du coup les passages dans Captain Spirit. Si vous n'avez pas vu de quoi je parle, j'ai fait trois épisodes sur le... C'est pas vraiment un DLC, c'est plus un spin-off. Enfin, c'est une petite histoire parallèle dans l'univers de Life is Strange sur le personnage de Chris qu'on vient de voir. J'en ai fait 3 épisodes sur la chaîne. Si ça vous intéresse d'en savoir plus, si vous n'avez pas vu avant Life is Strange 2, je vous conseille d'aller voir. On en apprend un peu plus, quoi. Donc, je sais pas ce que va montrer la fin de ce chapitre. Je sais pas très bien où on en est dans le jeu, mais je pense qu'on doit être à peu près à la moitié, si c'est pas plus, vu que c'est à peu près 3 à 4 heures de jeu. Entre 5 et 6 me connaissant. Mais voilà, je pense qu'on a plutôt bien avancé. Je sais pas si le prochain épisode sera le dernier, s'il reste encore un truc à faire après. Mon avis doit rester 1 ou 2 épisodes. Des très très vagues souvenirs que j'ai eus d'avoir vu cet épisode, ce chapitre-là en let's play il y a des années. Je sais plus vraiment très bien ce qui se passe, mais je pense qu'on doit être pas loin de la fin, je pense. Voilà, je promets rien, on verra bien ce que ça donne. Sur ce, bah écoutez, on se retrouve la prochaine fois pour le prochain épisode, et puis bah en attendant, portez-vous bien. Allez, bye.